Thai chicken salad is one of my favorite Thai dishes. Low carb, high protein. Here you need to add garlic, chili, fresh lime, tomato into mortar. Crush all ingredients with gentle strength. Then you add chicken breast. Here you need to add equal quantity of fish sauce, fresh lime juice, sugar. Here I use coconut sugar. Then you can add shredded onion, cilantro, and also carrot. Mix and pound together. Add tiger shrimp, and then now you can add bean sprout. Then here you mix them together. It's time to serve. If you like peanut on the top, you can crush peanut in the mortar and then serve.